nasanay na siguro kami. Hindi lang naman ako, yung mga tao ko who've been with us through the process. Alam na namin, mararamdaman mo, mamamataan mo, kung sino yung sa tingin mo will be good as a housemate. It's kumbaga parang acquired taste na natututunan mo in the process. Sa dami na ginawa naming edition, we feel, we can really tell who may be a good housemate. Ang nagiging challenge lang sa amin, hindi namin alam pag pinagsama-sama namin sila kung ano yung mangyayari. Di ko naman akalain na yung Jason na nag-audition sa Batangas ay magkakagusto dun sa dalaga mula sa Jensen. Those things, those are magic that we cannot really predict.
Makasakit naman nun talaga, hindi mo akalain.
Hindi ko talaga akalain. But really, yun yung mga ganun, di ba? Individually, you can tell, okay, ito ganyan. Pero pag pinagsama ba mag-work, yun yung unpredictable sa lahat. Even to the makers of Big Brother. Because the only time they will be together is inside the house. Okay? And this house will be very, very special. Kasi hindi naman to forever itong bahay na to eh. Actually, we've been threatened to be evicted from this house, diba? So, namnamin natin, host namnamin natin to. We don't know where the next house will be. So this will be a very, very special edition because this house will be very, very meaningful for this season.
Alam natin po